on the phone with Dan.
And Flaming Cooters. Today we are hosting Dan Butler. Say hi.
What?
Say hi.
What?
Daniel, say hi.
Hi.
Right now, we are pushing Megan.
What?
You guys are serious.
We're making a video. Shut up.
It's going to be on our
YouTube. Hello, boys and girls. Make an ugly face. Nostrils of toes. Ow! This is a retarded. What does this sound like? Here's Kayleigh, bye. Now let me videotape you. Hand me the camera. Ready, go.
Hi. No, you have to try to be funny.
I'm not talking.
I'm sorry that it's going in and out like a roller coaster. It's only because I'm swinging. See, that's my best friend. And those are people I don't know. Okay, bye.
What?
Did you know?
No, but what was I gonna say?
We're about to play in the rain, but it hasn't rained yet.
So you can still pretend not to.
Okay, well we're gonna go. Kayleigh, we have to say bye together. Come and stand by me. No, just stand right here. Okay, we're gonna say bye.